Right, good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Yay! Welcome to Mzansi. Welcome to Mzansi. Welcome to South Africa. You know, I've been outside of this of South Africa. Me and my wife. We've been out. We've been out of the of South Africa. We've been in Europe. We just came back on the 27th. Now we are actually driving. We actually left our place in the morning because we lost some few things on the train, and those Italian trains we lost. So now, guys, I'm driving now. So I'm driving. All right, I'm driving. Right. So now we are actually driving from. What is this place? It's like I forgot my place now. My place now. We are driving from. What is this place? Athlone. Yeah, we left Athlone. No, we left Athlone. I'm just want to. This after N2. We're heading to the airport now. Right. Wait, I want to talk when I'm out of here, so I can be able to. He said, therefore, I swear by myself. No, don't post. Yeah. So now, we are actually heading to. We are heading to Somerset West. In the place where we stay. We stay in Strand, guys. We are going to Strand. Went to buy some something in Cape Town. So we are approaching into now, heading home. So guys, I've been out. It was nice. I'm back to South Africa, back to Cape Town, the mother city. Yeah, the mother city. Mother city. I can see that Dainfontein, Robert Sobukwe Road, and then we're heading to it. There's a truck in front of me here. I wanna just quickly pass into the enter into the N2. Hey, when I wait, man, wait for me. There's a truck in front of me, guys. All right, so it's okay.